Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can link PayPal to TikTok. So first is you just have to open your TikTok application and then you just have to log in to your TikTok account. So if you are using your mobile device, then you just have to open the app. After that, tap on your profile and tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right hand corner of your screen. Now right here, you just have to tap on the TikTok Studio. That's right. And then make sure that you have, created your account. And then after that, tap on the view details. Okay, so this is the TikTok Shop Creator Center. And then right here, just tap on the earnings and then tap on the withdrawal balance. Okay, and then after that, you'll be able to see here now the withdrawal method. So tap on the change option. Okay, so currently we have Gcash. So tap on the change once again. Then after that, right here, just have to add a new withdrawal method. So if PayPal is available, so you just have to tap on it and then you just have to input the details of your PayPal account. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.